Hi again, guys. This is Beata from the Fairy Goods Store. We're just going to be putting this cat bowl together. Let's see what it looks like inside, just so I can show you guys. I couldn't wait to do another video, so I just wanted to see what it looks like. These are fantastic. I got this for $20 from Target because Kmart was sold out. The exact same brand. Now, if you're not already in the know of what's been happening with those two companies, one of them was going to go almost pretty much bankrupt, so one bought the other one out, and they're keeping some of their own brand, and they've incorporated the Kmart products into Target. So Kmart actually bought Target out. You would think that it would be the opposite, but it's actually the other way around. So I'll just put this away. Yeah, it was the other way around. So, but I love Kmart stuff because they've improved quite a bit. Alright, so these bowls are actually quite big. Yes, I know they're designed for a dog, but cats have a lot of whiskers, so my thinking is it's going to have a lot of space for its whiskers because they're very sensitive, and I have been reading about that issue quite a lot, where the bowls for cats are too small and they can't fit their entire face in properly into the bottom of the bowl, so there's not enough room to fit the face in with whiskers. So it got me thinking to just to do it a bit differently. Okay, so according to this, you fold these out. Okay. So we'll pull off the screw covers. So those things there. Very interesting. Okay. We'll pull off the screw covers. This one's a bit harder to put in. Okay, so it's actually really stable. Very stable, it's quite good. Okay, we'll do this one now. And we'll do the same on this side. Yeah, these screws and fittings are actually very well made, so it's for $20. I'm very impressed. So you'll get to know Danny through all the new videos, which I'm excited about. And of course, if we have any issues, because cats do take time to get to know each other, you'll get to go through our little learning stages with our cats. So this is what it looks like. So I'll put the bowls back in. Oh, this is fantastic. So whichever bowl the cats decide to use, this is very stylish. I like it. It suits with the theme that I'm after, which is more like a Hamptons beach house style. So this is the original cat one. So it's quite a bit bigger, but most male cats are bigger. So whichever one they decide to use, that's fine. It is a bit of a height difference, but that's okay. And today I'll also be getting some cat litter. Just turn this around. These can be quite expensive, so do not buy these at the regular retail pet stores. Please do look in either Kmart or Target or a smaller store like that. This one was quite expensive, and I do recommend that you definitely go searching at a cheaper store. I got this at Red Dot for under $30. And then after I bought this one for about, I think it was close to 60, I realised that the same thing was sold in Red Dot and Kmart. So I'm very disappointed I didn't do my research, so please do go online onto lasoo.com.au or have a Google, and please do your research. If you do decide to buy an online store, then please check out what material it's made of and how thick it is, because sometimes it's good to actually see how high the sides are, how wide it is. Like this one, I actually thought the cat was going to be this big, but finding a raised bowl that's under $20 and doesn't cost close to $60 is expensive. It's when it's available, it's at really far away locations, not in Perth. So getting this height for a cat is quite difficult. Alright, so I'm just going to refill Tammy's water bowl, and we'll see you on the next videos. And that's all for now from the Furry Goods store. Bye guys.